In a world crowded by startups and new businesses getting established every day, protected trademarks are the only way business can stand out from their competition. So, knowing how to protect your trademark has become more important now more than ever. Hi, I'm Manisha Singh Chauhan, a startup advisor at Setindiabiz, where we provide tax compliance and IPR services to businesses across India. In this video, I will explain the entire process of filing trademark registration application to protect a trademark against infringement by third parties and entitle its owner the right to use it exclusively. So let's begin without any delay. Steps to file a trademark application. A trademark application can be filed in few simple steps. Let's go through them one by one. Step 1. Understand the eligibility criteria. Before starting the application process, it is important that you make sure your proposed trademark meets the eligibility criteria. It should be distinctive, non-generic, and not too similar to identical to any existing trademark. Also, it should be suggestive of the goods and services it is intended to use for. Non-descriptiveness is another criteria that a trademark has to fulfill, which means that it must be short, precise, and not very descriptive of the brand. After making sure that your trademark fulfill all the eligibility criteria, you can move further to the next step. Step 2. Classify your trademark. Trademarks are registered under specific classes of goods and services only. These are the goods and services a trademark applies to or is intended to be used for. In India, we follow a nice classification system for this purpose. It contains as many as 45 classes of goods and services, and all we need to identify the class of which our trademark belongs to. Moving ahead, conduct a trademark search. After choosing an appropriate class, you need to search if your trademark already exists in the particular class. For this, you can use the free public search tool of the Indian Trademark Registry. Here you can enter your trademark and any similar mark would immediately show on the screen. If this happens, you may need to modify or change your trademark to proceed further. Step 4. Prepare the TMA application form. Once you are sure your trademark is available for the use, it's time to fill out the TMA application form for its registration. This can be done online and offline. You will just have to provide details like first name, address, and nationality of applicant. Second, representation of the trademark. Third, details of classes of goods or services. Fourth, date of prior use if applicable. Fifth, statement of prior use if applicable. And sixth, details of trademark owner. Step 5. Attach supporting documents. After filling out all the details in the form, attach the required supporting documents such as user affidavit, attorney authorization, and a JPG image of trademark applicable only for logos and device marks. Save and submit the form on the trademark portal and proceed with the payment of application fee. Step 6. Pay the government filing fee. The filing fee for trademark application varies depending on the category of the applicant. For individual registered MSMEs and recognized startups, the fee is rupees 4,500 per class per application. For all other applicants type, it is rupees 9,000 per class per application. After the payment, you will receive an acknowledgement of your submitted application, which will allow you to track its status time and again until registration. And that's it for this video. I hope I have answered all your questions regarding the process of filing a trademark application. But if you still have any questions, you can post in the comment section and I will respond as soon as possible. For in-depth guidance, you can directly contact our legal experts. Links and contacts are also given in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative content ahead. Hit the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you are the first one to get notified. Thanks for watching and watch our other videos as well.